We're about to go from hot, maybe one more triple-digit day, Linz, and then here comes the rain.
Yeah, several days of rain heading our way as we look ahead toward the weekend. Heaviest rain for the valley looks to be between Friday and Sunday. We will have multiple periods of heavy rain over the course of the weekend. Today, though, we topped out at 99. Humidity is still low. We're currently at 97, but starting tomorrow, that humidity will begin to rise. And temperatures, too, a little bit as we have another triple-digit day in the forecast for tomorrow. Notice a few clouds tomorrow over the lower deserts with that rising humidity, and we're going to see some 80s up in the high country. Now tomorrow out across far eastern Arizona, closer to the White Mountains, we could see a couple afternoon thunderstorms pop up, but the coverage is going to go up later in the week for all of Arizona. And as the clouds increase and the rain chances go up, our temperatures, they're going down. In fact, we're dropping down into the 80s by Saturday and Sunday. As far as storm threats are concerned, we do have a flooding threat, and we'll likely see some flood watches issued for the course of the weekend here in the valley and the lower deserts. A couple thunderstorms also may produce some damaging winds, but our main threat for the weekend will be flooding, and you'll see why. This is going to be widespread rain. We are getting tropical influence from Priscilla. That's off the Baja Peninsula. The areas in blue, that's up to 1.5 inches of rain. Areas in purple, that's up to 2.5 inches of rain, and red is up to 4 inches of rain. And you can see many locations over the lower deserts. We're looking at about 1 to 3 inches of rain. 1 inch on the low end, 3 inches. Some localized heavier amounts will be possible. Starting the clock Thursday morning at 7 a.m. We'll just see a couple showers on radar by that point. Thursday afternoon, storms are going to begin to fire up in the high country. By Friday morning, 8 a.m., we'll see a band of strong showers out to our west. That's going to be pushing eastward during the afternoon. This is 3 o'clock. You can see some of those showers arriving along I-17 by that point. Heavy rain continues Friday evening. You'll see plenty of rain showers as we go through the day Saturday and then Sunday as well. Very wet at times. Even next week, we will continue with daily storm chances. As far as our stats for the year, our annual deficit right now is 1.25 inches out at Sky Harbor, but this weekend alone could catch us up. So time will tell. Right now, it looks like we could see anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain. Here's our Flagstaff 7-day daily storm chances beginning on Thursday, and they continue into next week. Here in the valley, from Friday evening through Sunday, that's the period of heaviest rain where we have weather impact alerts and temperatures dropping into the 80s. Mark?
All right, Linz, thanks. Do you